What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today I'm coming to you from Impact Auto Sales in Wenatchee. Talked to these guys. I drove by this the other day and I saw this Excursion and I had to show you guys. I had to do a rig walk around on the YouTubes for you. So we are going to do a walk around of this beast of an Excursion. I'm sure you saw it in the thumbnail. There's a little sneak peek of her. She's on 44s, so pretty rad. So anyway, we're going to do a quick walk around, show you guys what's going on. Well, there she is in all of her glory. It's a 2000 with a V10, not the tow mirrors, cloth interior. It has like 40,000 miles on it, I think. 42,000 miles. So you can buy this sucker, Impact Auto Sales in Wenatchee. I think they're asking 20 for it. The low miles, it might bring close to that. So anyway, just wanted to talk about, we got 44s on it. It looks like these have hit the fender at some point. I don't know if that was before this lift or what, on a different tire, but these 44s, they look pretty good. So it gives me ideas on my truck. Looks like maybe a 12-inch lift. Massive leaf packs in the front. Other than that, track bar is upgraded. Other than that, it's pretty stock. It's got amp research steps, which help a lot to get into it. It's actually possible to get into it. Custom rear. I don't know if they sold that or something. I don't remember exactly. But the bumper is shaved in the rear, so pretty cool. Well, this is interesting. It's got the keypad into the back door. I wonder how that works. It doesn't seem like it locks it. Well, we'll find out if the driver door is locked. But mud flats back there, amp research steps over here, and of course this meaty 44 monster tire. So yeah, pretty neat truck. Definitely needs the finished TLC done to it. The paint's a little lacking, but really kind of a sweet, be a rad project. Definitely going to stand out in the parking lot. Looks like it's got headlights have been done to it. It's got some sort of custom grille, and other than that, outside looks pretty factory. Inside looks pretty darn clean. It is a 2000 cloth interior. It smells pretty good. And 42,200 miles. Pretty cool. Just a bare bones interior. If you haven't seen the upgrade to those cup holders, there's going to be a link right above right now. If you buy this truck, you're going to want to upgrade these cup holders from the shallow ones. Trust me. Yeah, super clean actually. There's no really stains on the carpet and stuff like that. But no spare tire. Wouldn't do you much good with a 44 and the stock 32-inch tire. So anyway, that's pretty big. I'm gonna close it out with me standing next to it so that you guys can see. Hopefully the audio and everybody driving by is not way too loud for this, but yeah, pretty different way to build one. All right, to put some perspective, I am 6'3", people. So my head comes just above, I mean, it's really level with the window striker on the bottom. So that thing is absolutely massive, pretty rad. I don't know if it'd do that great on the trails, but definitely a statement maker. Definitely wild paint with the flames. I love it. I love that everybody can build their rigs differently. Gotta love big tires. Who doesn't love big tires? So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget Impact Auto Sales in Wenatchee. The phone number, let's see if I can zoom in on myself. I'll zoom in on that sign at the end for you. But the phone number will be right there. Impact Auto Sales in Wenatchee. 20 grand, 42,000 miles. V10 truck for sure. V10 auto trans, 4-wheel drive, all the good stuff. Not a limited, but nice looking truck. Impact Auto Sales in Wenatchee.